Hi, my name is Tak, and I am. My company name is Ao. Ao means it's a color of blue in Japanese, blue ocean, like a same color. And our we are making just IoT device, Internet of Things, and just product name is Clip Voice. Yeah, and we call it CV. CV is a cloud voice record, and our service is expanded, optimized voice record service, and we are the pre-seed stage to develop, to make a product to the market, and I'm here to grow, to meet potential investor, and yes, and our team is we winning at the grand prize at IBM Hackathon, and we got the IBM Award in Diversity too. And our product is who is customer, and who your customer, and who is competitor, and opportunity. I will explain quick. Our dream team, I'm hipster and designer, and I'm working for Rico product, and hacker, he is very genius engineer. He is working Japanese NASA, and hustler, he is graduate KDD accelerator. And the problem customer need, people have different communication style, lead to bad communication. I'll provide extended optimized voice messaging system. For example, LINE, Facebook can use a smartphone user to smartphone user, or smartphone user to.
Can you speak up? There's this person on Skype. So you can speak up.
Okay. And we try to make I gave my grandmama, she can use the voice record, and I am smartphone user, so we can connect. So I'll make a whole bridge to communicate. So me our blue ocean to communicate. We make a new market, and the market size is very, very big, because Jawbone is like a cool device headset, and Uber, like we are making application, and the traction is working this prototype, and patent field we have butterfly effect. That's innovation for the recording message, and just now we are discussion of the IBM. And we have problem just now, business model. We have to find a good business model. That's problem.
So it's a voice recorder? That's what the device does?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I missed the beginning. What do you do with the voice recorder? What do you do with that?
I'm a creative director. And
no. What does the voice recorder do then?
That's clip the voice here. Then recorded smartphone here. Then put smartphone put in the bar. Then that's Bluetooth headset here. Then it's clip here. Then recorded in the application. Then voice data has the GPS and voice recorder. Then application here. But now it's no network.
So why can't I just use my phone? Because I can just double tap and do the recording.
No. We said butterfly effect. We don't need to push the record button. So just just with the direction here, then recording begin. Then push.
So you don't need to tap.
Yes.
You can just go
Yes.
straight.
Yeah.
So we're in
So we don't
Q&A
need
now.
like this.
Yeah.
So that's.
I see.
How is that different than any of the other voice recorders that are out there?
That's very simple. Direction, no tap.
And it goes any device. That's what you were saying. It goes any device. Doesn't have to be smartphone to smartphone. It could be. It's like unified communication. It's a voice file and then goes to.
Just now try to make this next smartphone. Just only this, but just now we are connecting smartphone. That's
Is there anything unique about that little recorder device? Can anybody make that? Is there anything special about it?
We put the Bluetooth headset here, and we put this is a prototype. Is BLE.
But what's special about it? How is it different than this Bluetooth?
Is something that can be? Is it something that can be patented? Are you doing something different from anybody else?
Just now we are trying to make get the patent.
For what?
For what?
It's a secret.
No. You don't have to tell us what. Just the general area. Is it for the hardware, software method that you're collecting the data?
It's both software and hardware.
So is this anything more than a voice recorder? Is this just a voice recorder?
Yeah, just voice recorder.
If you're trying to raise money from investors,
Yeah.
you won't be able to say to them it's a secret. You understand that, right?
Okay.
That's very important here in the US. The investor will want to know what is it you're doing, why is it different from somebody else, and they'll need some proof statements for that. Just some advice, because
So what is the user case? What is the problem you're solving? I'm not quite sure I understand the problem you're trying to solve.
For example, Ari-san, do you have boyfriend or?
Do I have to say that? Sorry, I don't, but go ahead. Okay, well,
This will help you find the boyfriend.
Okay, I'm invested. So as soon I have. So okay, I have a boyfriend.
Yeah, and so you, Ari-san make trustworthy to connect husband or boyfriend.
Mm-hmm. Big
Yeah.
difference, but go ahead.
And so this this voice recording,
Yeah.
it's difficult to speak to directly, but put voice recorder here, then
I don't think I understand.
So you're saying
So
that.
we have, sorry.
Oh, go ahead.
So we have Alexa from Amazon, right? And we've got Siri from Apple's iPhone,
yes.
and a whole bunch of other devices that we can talk to that will do things for us. How is yours different?
You're not doing speech recognition.
Well, Siri
Are
does
you?
speech recognition.
Sure.
Yeah, Alexa does speech
Yeah,
recognition.
No, I'm saying they're not
Oh.
doing it.
I can speak. I can I put it here, then
You talk to it?
骨伝導って何ですか？骨伝導。
Okay. So it's like, okay, you're living in the living room, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right? So you're watching TV. Oh, that's so funny. Did you see that? Like that. So I think he's talking about, it's almost like interior. Just it's, so you don't have to push the dial.
So it's like a voice instant message?
Yeah, instantly you can just talk. So it's
So connect to the specific
yes.
person.
So sometimes like
this table could be a speaker.
I see, but it's connected to Ari-san's boyfriend.
So time is up. So it's an instant message device.
instant, yeah.
You better be sure you're connected to the right
So, but
person.
the other person.
Okay, so he was talking about
interphone.
yeah, because okay, I remember he was explaining. So for example, you know, you as a dad traveling all the time, and then you keep trying to call, and the internet doesn't work and all that stuff. He's trying to remove the variable internet connection and all that stuff. He wants to integrate. That's what I understood. So you can ask about technology. But the point is, you're home, and then you can say, "Are you there?" And do you know how sometimes when we work, I just ask my teammate, "Can you just be hanging out at the Skype?" Because it's there, then you can talk right
Like a
away.
walkie-talkie?
Yeah, it's so much easier than
So
okay,
this
I'll
is
call
like a
you.
walkie-talkie?
Walkie-talkie?
Like you can talk right away.
Yes, like
Walkie-talkie
we can use a to-do list.
Think
And,
of the word.
The list to...
And is it person to person? So I have to connect to Ari-san first, and then we can talk to each other?
Yeah.
And can I connect to everybody in this room at the same time, or is it just one person to one person?
So you have to choose.
I see.
Only
And how do I
one.
set it up on my phone?
Yes, it's application. iOS
So
application,
if I have a 5 boyfriend, can I have a 5 or I can have 1?
just one.
Depends if you want to talk to
That's what I mean. You need to be checking
I can have 1. Actually calling Mike, I mean David.
Well, so I
Actually,
guess in a
that's
dating
good. You can
scenario.
send the same message to all 5 of them.
Oh yeah.
So, but in a
Efficient.
dating scenario, I understand what he said because maybe you don't want to talk to the person directly. Maybe you just want to leave a voicemail, like as if they never picked up, so you can just leave a message so that they receive the message in voice, and you don't have to talk directly.
But I can
Yeah.
do that with my iPhone. I see.
Yeah, the actual SMS
Text
actually can send
Nakagawa.
voice.
Okay, one
That's
last
right.
question.
Yeah,
Question.
if that's the case, why did you say there's no business model? You just sell this device, right?
Yeah.
You can
I
sell.
said
What is
our
your problem?
just first business model
Uh-huh.
to like we sell inside, then changing food is the skin. Customer buy the changing food.
Okay.
Then that's a kind of a Gillette model or a cartridge model.
Okay.
I think that's difficult to scale to the market. Just only hardware.
But the feature itself is great. Then the people buy the device first. At least you can get the profit out of this selling your device.
Yeah.
Is it voice activated? Is it on all the time? Is that on all the time?
ずっとオンなんですかこれ？
このpush.
Okay,
Right,
there's a
press
button.
it. Oh, so she has to pick it up and push the button?
Yeah.
But for the other person, it's on all the time for the other person. They'll hear it.
But the voice file, it goes voice file.
It's voice-based instant messaging.
Yeah.
That's what it
Okay,
is.
that's the last question we have.
I understood now.
Tim, one more little question.
Yes.
You said you won the IBM hackathon?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. What was the hackathon?
Where is
What was it?
What
What
was
was the
what was
topic?
the topic?
what is that's Bloom IBM Bluemix using hackathon. The hackathon is IoT.
IoT no hackathon.
IoT hackathon. Okay.
They have a whole bunch of softwares they're offering.
I see.
Bluemix, and then you can use it.
Oh,
So
Bluemix is
we
with
need voice
Yeah.
to text is we are using a Watson.
Oh, you're using voice to text.
Yeah.
You have speech recognition in there.
We are
The application.
Oh, you
Yeah.
have one
Using.
saying HK in there.
in the website.
Okay.
Okay. And
Doesn't
we
matter
are
where it is.
IBM Bluemix supporting for 1 year.
And you get text messages? So Ari-san's boyfriends would get text messages, or would they get the voice message?
No. Opposite. It's a voice message to text.
Wait,
So they
yeah.
get the text.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, we have to finish.
受け取るのはテキストね。
That's that.
テキストと音声両方。
It's a voice
あ
message.
両
Yeah,
方できる
the voice recording and that becomes text
With
and sent to the
with
person.
with one saying HK, right? You're using one saying HK to actually right? You're actually recognizing what they're saying, and then you're sending text message across.
Yes, because that's we have to look quickly. Text is very easier.
Sure. Got it.
Okay. Thank you.
すみません。
そっちの方でもいいよ。全然関係ない
Minor avoidance.
It was a distractive conversation.
Okay.
はい、はい。
Thank you.